Hi friends, this is Kalyani. Today we discuss about how multidimensional arrays are initialized. Similarly to one-dimensional array, multidimensional arrays can also be initialized if one intend to assign some values to these elements. Means if one intend to assign a values to these elements. It should be noted that only external or static arrays can be initialized. External or static arrays can be initialized. For example, see here the following two-dimensional arrays are declared. That is int x of 2 int x of 2 equal to 1 2 3 4 semicolon. See here, I have created one multidimensional array, that is int x of 2 equal to 1 2 3 4. Here where x is a two-dimensional array of integer numbers whose maximum size is 4, and that values are assigned in this manner. See here, int x of 0 equal to 1, int x of 1 equal to 2, int x of 10 equal to 3, int x of 1 equal to 4. In this manner, these values are assigned to this multidimensional array. Here, take another example. Static float sum of 2 equal to within brackets 0 1 0 2 0 3 0.3 0.4. See here where sum is the static two-dimensional array of floating point numbers and the maximum size of the static array is 2, and minimum columns have 2, and the total number of elements are 4, and the assignments would be sum of 0 equal to 0.1. In this way, 0.1 value is assigned to the sum, and sum of 0 1 equal to 0.2, and sum of 1 0 equal to 0.3, and the sum of 1 equal to 0.4. In this manner, these values are assigned to this multidimensional array. 0.1 are assigned to the 0th place, 0 rows 0 columns, and 0.2 is assigned to the 0 row and first column, and 0.3 value is assigned to the first row 0th column, and 0.4 is assigned to the first row first column. Have you understood? Please like my channel, please share my channel. Thank you.